Hello dear, today I'm gonna show you about my cat shelter that I have many cats and kittens living here. So now it's about 11 a.m. so I already feed them up another meal. So now they are going to somewhere to relax. Yeah, some of them still eating that I serve some food to keep somewhere for them to eat. And two kitten is inside the crate because just for temporary. Now they are coming. Two kittens. Yeah, they are playing after lunch. And the other one more. Also, we go to the front because at the front they're going to relax under the tree because it's very cool for them. You can see there. Okay. Yeah. Okay, they are relaxed because they have lunch already. Yeah, you will see many here. I have some water to stock for them over there. That's a water bowl for drinking, but some of them always drink the water from this place because it's cold, because I have many fish, small fish inside here. And I have some more here. I'm going to find some more inside. They are going to somewhere in the kitchen. She's playing. She scratched. And this is my little kitten. Yeah, she's coming to me. Good girl. The other one is coming. That I told you, everyone like to drink this water from this place. They are so cute and healthy. Little girl. I thought maybe someone is fighting because I heard the kitten crying. And I would like to show you where that they can sleep at night. Sometimes they go in there to sleep in the kitchen, and inside this place have where that they can sleep. Here's also sleeping place, and here, so on this bed they sleep. So this is the cat tray, and this the water bottle, big bottle that I always put the water for them to drink. That everywhere. That the sleeping place. Yeah, it's very nice place and very cool of the nature and so cool. This one is drinking more. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video about the cat shelter. Hope to see you next video. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.